Oh my god. I cannot with myself. Let's get into it. Come on. Hi, my name is Shannon. I am an assistant buyer on the hair team. And my everyday consists of drinking lots of coffee, building lots of events, and making sure everything runs smoothly. I don't really discriminate against any categories. I honestly shop them all because I'm a shopaholic, and I'm admitting it today. I even shop the kids event, and I don't have any kids, so there's that. I love that sound. Okay, well, first up we have, I'm so excited about these. Lemon is the brand, and I am a size 9/10. These are the ones that I picked up. They are so soft. Oh my gosh. Really excited to have these in my closet, and that way my feet won't sweat because they're open at the top and not closed. I do have a lot of slippers, but none that have the opening. I only have closed-toed, so I needed these, guys.
Especially for summer, yes.
Especially for life. Next we have, so this was in a Girl Boss event that we have on the site, which I really love because I'm a girl boss.
What makes you a girl boss?
Honey, I think being a girl boss, you just have to wake up, get your stuff done, don't take no for an answer, and stay highly caffeinated. Blush pink, as you can tell, is one of my favorite colors. Good for the pool, good for the summer, good to tell people that you're not ready to talk to them unless you have your coffee. I don't really talk to people until I have my coffee, so. Last but not least, we have the best thing ever. It is a flamingo floating pool speaker, and it's waterproof. Ah! So it comes, little Fred. I just named him in this moment. Fred the flamingo. I cannot wait to get all my girlfriends together, go by the pool, have some mimosas every weekend, and bring Fred with me. First thing I'm probably gonna play on it is probably This Is How We Do It. This is how we do it. This is how we do it with Fred. By the pool. Go Fred, go Fred. Okay, so then you just stick this little speaker in, and you guys, how cute is this? Literally, we were dunking these underwater and it still worked. It was like $15, comped these on Amazon, and they were $30, and I got mine for $15. I am so excited to take all my purchases home, and you guys will definitely see me with this tomorrow around the office. Fred. Fred the flamingo is my favorite because I just cannot wait to impress so many people with my flamingo. Like and subscribe. You know you want to. Thanks so much for unboxing with us today. Don't forget to like and subscribe down below. See you guys later. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you don't, that's rude.